Hello, my name is Lewy and I just wanted to do a quick testimonial for the 30-minute workday that Nick has put together. When I first was introduced to the funnel and downloaded his free PDF, it was very simple to follow. I had never really made any money online. By really, I mean I've never really made any money online. I've looked at systems and read and just could not seem to get started or over some of the hurdles that stops you from actually going through with and creating what you needed. Nick pointed it out in just 3 easy steps. I have now made sales. I've got over 50 people in my that signed up for the membership with my first run, and I have over 244 people in my email list that I send emails out to. I'm really excited about the future working with Nick. He's made several other funnels that I'm trying out now, and hope to get them up and running. But this video, even to give a shout out, is my first time ever doing this as well. But I tell you, I was so excited. I posted in some of the chats how excited I was and amazed. And this system, anybody can do it. If you're stuck, whatever, you get into and sign up for the free membership, get the free PDF, follow the steps. If you have questions, there are tons of people, tons of support in this group that want to help you succeed as well. If you have a desire and ever wanted to make money online, I suggest you try out the 30-minute workday. It's free to learn.